Hi viewers and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. Today we'll be looking at haggling in Nigerian Pidgin English. While almost everything is negotiable in an open, local or roadside market or from a street vendor, overzealous haggling will turn off the seller. A good rule of thumb is don't haggle or offer below 25% of the price given. Most importantly, never you try to bargain in a drugstore, a supermarket, a chain store, or products that come with prepackaged labels. Asking for a discount in such places is allowed, but most definitely not haggling back to back for a product. One of the greatest pitfalls for visitors trying to nab a bargain is the accent effect. Modes of speech that carry the distinction of non-Nigerianness will immediately attract a surcharge or double or triple the cost for a product. This is where the Pidgin English comes to the rescue. Not to forget the look effect. Many a time, taxi drivers and shopkeepers have been known to add or reduce prices purely based on the appearance of the shopper. Does this maxim, dress the way you want to be addressed, does it ring a bell? Well, this does not mean you should dress down like a pauper, but just keep all those flashy jewelries and designer attires at home when heading to a local market. These key expressions in Nigerian Pidgin English will help you bargain your way through successfully. Words you will hear first when you get to a local market are Madam, Oga, my friend, my brother, my sister, boss. These are the terms a seller will use to call your attention to patronize him or her. Customer, come follow me by. I go give you better price. How much be your? You no gree. Make I pay 800 naira unko. How much be this? How much you they sell your, for example, how much you they sell your yam? It too cost a beg. It too dear. It dear. Make I go check another store. How much last? How much last? How much you want pay last? I beg, make I pay. You no gree. Price. Alaruru. Oya pay. I no get change for example, when you give the person like 1,000 naira and the person doesn't have a change, the person might go like, I no get change for 1,000 naira. When you give the person money, you can go like, give me change. Give me my change.